Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Ayana. If you're new here, hey girl, hey. If you're not new here, thank you for coming back, girl. And as always, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. As you guys can tell by the title, today's video is a prep and pack with me, because your girl is going out of the country on Saturday. It is currently, let's see the time, my phone fell. It's currently January 4th, so we do have a couple more days before we do have to leave, so we do have a bunch of stuff to get done. So obviously we do have to pack. I do have to get my lashes done, my nails done, pedicure. I also need to thread my eyebrows and get my hair done. I am getting my hair done. I'm getting a wig installed because I just couldn't be bothered with the hassle of doing my own hair, so I'm getting my wig installed. I also want to do like some type of self-care. I want to do a mask at home, shave my face. I want to shave my legs. I need to wash my makeup brushes. I need to wash my tote bag. I think that's all. Let me double check my to-do list. Oh, and I'm at Target, so that's like, I totally forgot. I'm like parked right outside of Target. I'm also outside of Target because I do need to pick up a few little toiletries and like miniature stuff to like put in my carry-on, just so I can have with me on the plane. So yeah, that's all we really have to get done, but it is a lot to get done in the evenings after school. That's a whole nother story. I'll tell you guys in another video about that. But so yeah, I'm gonna get a few stuff in Target today. After Target, I'm gonna head to my pedicure and get my eyebrows threaded. So that's what we have on the agenda today. So let's rush in Target because it's like traffic time. Everyone's leaving from work, so I'm going to head into Target real quick and then head to the nail salon so I can get my pedicure done. So let's go.
Jennifer? I got it.
Giống. Yeah. You tickle it.
No.
For my morning check.
Okay, so it's 8:07. I woke up this morning. It's the next day after I did my brows and my pedicure, which they came out great. Love them. I'm just gonna knock a few things out before I head to school. I have to wash my makeup brushes and I need to clean this bag. I don't know, it's really tell how dirty it is, but the white is a little bit dingy, the tote bag. And then I was bringing it to school. I got some pen, or I think those are pencil crayons. They stain the inside, so I'm going to try my best to get those out. And I am also going to wash my makeup brushes. So I found this hack that you just put them in a pillowcase, tie it, and then put it in a washing machine. It's so fast, it works so well. Instead of sitting there to hand wash each brush, that's just quick and easy, and I still need to get ready for school. So yeah, let's go do that before we leave.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Gonna let somebody on next up. Be damn if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fit up. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say you've been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the ride. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shout it, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for a girl, just say. Said he keeps on playing games, and his loving ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get the same. If you were mine, you would top everything. Suicide in the clouds, switch your lanes in the day. So fly, baby, no propane. Got good pussy, girl, can I be frank? Keep it 100, girl, I ain't no saint. But he the only reason that I feel it this way. Giving you a word, baby, when you get space. Pen gang, give me lay, baby, that's penetrate. Oh, baby.
Hey, Sean, got a niggas on throne. Come on, we can party some more. Yeah, baby, drink in my cup. Got a young nigga feeling so throne. Spit fire in the world so cold. Young money got a nigga feeling
Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. So after I did my nails done, I got my nails done, which I think I showed you guys, but they look bomb. I will tag my nail tech if anybody is in the San Antonio area. You can check her out. She's bomb work, love it. So after I did my nails, I came home and did nothing. But I wanted to show you guys how the bag came out. I did end up throwing it in the washing machine because I had to go to school and it was taking too long. And it didn't do too bad. I just put it on delicate, cold water, and I dried it on delicate. And all the stains came out. And it's looking so good. I'm glad I washed it because it was looking too dingy. And yeah, girl, And then makeup brushes came out very clean as well. They're just bomb. Just so good. Look, so clean. So yeah, I found this hack on a YouTuber, or was it TikTok? I don't remember. But they came out so clean. And it's just easy instead of sitting there and washing each brush hand by hand. But what we have planned for today is I still have to do my lashes, which I have my appointment at 10:30. I'm gonna wash my hair because it has a lot of product in it and I'm putting a wig on, so I want like a clean scalp, clean hair. I need to shave my legs. I want to do a mask. I got this mask from Lush that I want to try, and I'm going to shave my face because it's hairy. I haven't done it in a while, and I still need to pack. So yeah, I'm going to shave my face, do a little skincare, shave my legs, wash my hair, and then when I get back from my lash appointment, we'll get into packing. So it's 9:18. My appointment is at 10:30, so I need to hurry up. So let's go self-care. Let's go do some self-care. I think I'm gonna start with showering and washing my hair because that probably will take the longest.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Gonna let somebody sound next up. Be damn if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fed up. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fuck him, girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you it's special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say you been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shout it, who you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for a girl, just say.
days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Do what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel
The shelf.
Hey guys, so as you can see, I got everything done that I wanted to get done, and it is a couple hours before my fight. As you can see, I am tired, but I'm gonna stay up because if I go to sleep, I'm not gonna wake up. But my hair came out great. I love it. Looks bomb. But yeah, so I'll hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, see you next time.
It's not going where I want.